Are you looking for a furniture, interior design, architecture or home decor website? Or an e-commerce, CMS, homeware or any type of furniture website for your business? Introducing FurniFlow TNC, the best Webflow furniture template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of FurniFlow TNC. Now, let's see how to use FurniFlow TNC.
Why did we need the thrill to be happy? Nothing doesn't feel love now, don't we? I'll go on. Eventually, what goes up must come down.
So, if you are looking for the best furniture Webflow template, get FurniFlow TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNCode.com.